Listen to me very carefully.
In part 1, I discussed the first 4 steps to overcome hurdles during the VA appraisal. To recap, they were: number 1, getting a copy of the appraisal notes regarding the repairs. Number 2, identifying each and every repair needed. Number 3, consulting with your loan officer or realtor. And number 4, having your realtor communicate with the seller's agent to outline what repairs are required to meet the MPRs of the VA appraisal and negotiate on terms you could receive as potential credits at the closing table to help pay for some of those costs.
Did you write that down first? Or was it off the top of your head?
Now, let's get right to it and kick things off. Step number 5, schedule repairs. Have your realtor coordinate with the seller's agent to get repairs scheduled and a time frame on completion. A good realtor will communicate these time frames with the loan officer and you as the client. He or she will discuss with all parties if the closing date will have to be changed. If the repairs go past the scheduled time frame, your realtor will need to speak with the seller's agent so all parties understand that this could delay closing.
This is a bummer, man.
Keeping communication lines open and adjusting expectations as needed will keep everyone on the same page and hopefully assist in avoiding unnecessary confrontations. Step number 6, gather documentation. In most cases, if a repair is required on a property for the home to meet the VA's MPRs, then the VA has determined that this cost can't be paid by the buyer. There are some exceptions here, so make sure your realtor is in communication with the loan officer regarding repairs specific to your appraisal.
Yeah, sure, fine by me.
Regardless of who handles the expense, you will likely have to provide documentation showing who paid for the repairs, who conducted the repairs, and their licensing status if necessary, and what was repaired and the cost. This can range between a pile of receipts from the local hardware store along with a letter of explanation on how the homeowner made the repair themselves to a detailed invoice from a licensed contractor or engineer.
It's fine by me. It's your rule.
Make sure that when you submit the documentation, it's very clear, legible, and all pages are included. I hate for you to run into a situation where you provided everything, but the underwriter can't read it, or is missing a page, and the closing gets pushed back in order for the loan officer to obtain a clear or complete copy. Lastly, step number 7, appraisal reinspection.
I'm almost done. There's one thing left.
Once all repairs have been completed and documentation has been compiled, the loan officer will schedule a reinspection. At that time, the appraiser will go back out to the property and confirm that the repairs have been made to their satisfaction. I know that even getting a seller to agree to repairs can be difficult, but here is a great opportunity for you to make sure that they are aware of the fact that you are a veteran or active duty service member and have earned this home loan benefit by protecting our country.
Aye, sir. Move out!
I can serve as your trusted guide throughout this process and will ensure you're heading toward your true north. If you have any follow-up questions or concerns, let's talk. As always, my name is Omar Pineda, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.